Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to unarchive an email in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for example, I accidentally archived this email while trying to archive other emails. So where can I find it? You can click all mail. And if you want to unarchive an email, just select it and then right click on it and then click move to inbox. And then to see if it worked, let's go to inbox, and as you can see, the email is already unarchived and you can already see it in your main inbox. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!